everybody, my name is Hamza Jaloud. I'm going to introduce our paper entitled Investigation Fatigue Crack Initiation and Propagation Cruciform Welding Joint by XFEM and Implementation SED Approach. To solve the problems and analysis welding phenomena, we perform a numerical analysis in order to evaluate the safe value in the cracked cruciform welding joint by SED approach using XFEM coupled with level Z technique. The obtained result will be compared with those provided by J-integral method for different enriched zones and contours. Also, crack initiation and propagation under cyclic loading have been adopted for in numerical modeling section. Lazarin et al. It's based in the evaluation of the average strain energy density over a control volume in a circular shape centered at the crack tip and characterized by the radius, and using the relation between the strain energy density and the stresses and density factor. The solution of the variational equation can be approximated by the displacement field, which is the sum of classical finite element method, and enrichment at crack split represented by the red circles and enrichment at the crack tip represented by the blue squares. When the crack propagates, the level set function rescan all the elements every cycle to identify the new type element and the new split elements. In the test 1 variation in the crack length under static load, the result obtained showing a proximity between the safe SED and the safe calculated from the J-integral method. Also note the stability of the J-integral method when changing the J-integral contours and fixing the size of enrichment zone. In the test 2, crack initiation and propagation simulation was carried out by XFEM under cyclic loading. All the dimensions and boundary condition and the mesh distribution like the previous example figure represented the loading change depending in time. These findings were found to be the good agreement between the safe SED and the safe calculated from the J-integral method. At the end of the study, the following results were concluded. So, I hope you find our study interesting, and I really invite you to read the whole paper in order to access actually the implementation of the SED approach in XFEM. Thank you so much for your attention. Please email me in case you have any question or you required information regarding our study. Thank you so much.